Just over 900 years ago, a Norman knight, Gerald de Windsor, and his wife, Princess Nest, came to live at Carew. Princess Nest was the daughter of the last king of Deheubarth, this area of southwest Wales. She was extremely beautiful, and people say that over her lifetime she gave birth to 21 children. Before she married Gerald, Nest had had an affair with the man who became the King of England, King Henry I, and she had his son. After she and Gerald married, she had another 5 children. They started building a simple stone tower here at Carew. It had 2 rooms up above and a guard room down below for soldiers. One Christmas, they put on a huge feast, and one of the guests they invited was a man named Owen ap Cadogan, who was a distant cousin of Nest's, but they'd never met before. The moment Owen saw Nest, he fell deeply in love with her, and he decided to kidnap her. A few days later, he turned up at the castle with a posse of armed men, and Gerald realised he would have to flee for his life. The only way he could see to escape was to slither down the garderobe, the toilet chute, from the first floor to the ground, and then he ran off, smelling disgusting. Owen took Nest to North Pembrokeshire and then on to Ireland. They lived there for long enough for Nest to have 2 sons with Owen. But in the end, they came back to Wales, and Gerald hunted Owen down and killed him. He brought Nest back here to live at Carew, but within the year, Gerald himself died. Now, in those days, a lady needed to have a husband, so Nest married again a man called Mr. Stevens of Cardigan Castle, and she had 2 more sons with him. We don't know when Nest died, but ever since, people have seen the ghost of a lady dressed in white walking through Carew Castle. It seems Nest's spirit is still with us today.